Hi everyone, welcome to SmartCon. It's quite early, I hope you all had coffee, so I know I did. All right, we're all together here because we're all enthusiasts about the Chainlink technology. We're all quite curious about how this technology can enable new use cases for TradFi and DeFi. So I'm going to give you a glimpse in the future of finance. The power of blockchain is transforming traditional finance to become on-chain finance. So in this dynamic landscape where trust and reliability reign supreme, Chainlink plays a vital role in enabling new use cases. So let's explore our journey where we not only run Chainlink nodes, but also forge Chainlink custom solutions to show how transparent and limitless the Chainlink technology is in its potential. So at the intersection of innovation and infrastructure, we empowered the digital revolution with rock-solid foundation. I am Kubilay, I'm the CEO of Matrix Link. My Telegram is in the bottom of the slides. You can see our website. My team runs Chainlink nodes for the Chainlink price feeds. We also run infrastructure for a number of high-profile projects. And next to these things, we also create custom Chainlink solutions to enable new and novel DeFi use cases. So I will showcase today how we create these solutions and what we've built and what we've contributed to DeFi. All right, so I'll give a quick introduction. First, I'm going to give a brief overview over the Oracle problem, and then how Chainlink emerges as a solution. After that, I'll introduce our managed node services and showcase what kind of custom Chainlink integrations we've built. I'm going to highlight our real-world asset integration to showcase how we've built a real estate oracle, which is being used to bring properties in the USA and UK on-chain to be used as collateral for a stablecoin, a yield-bearing stablecoin, USDR. Then I'm going to showcase what kind of impact these Chainlink integrations and the integration of the Chainlink Services has on DeFi projects and what it can enable. Then I'll talk a bit about future developments and close off the presentation. All right, so the most common problems faced today by banks and financial institutions is regarding data reliability and security is the need for trusted and tamper-proof sources of data for critical financial transactions and decision-making. The current challenges that we face today consist of data tampering, single points of failure, and trust issues. So traditional centralized system can be vulnerable to data manipulation, which pose a significant risk to the integrity of financial transactions. Centralized data sources are prone to single points of failure because any disruption can have a severe consequence for the integrity of financial decision-making and financial transactions because a one-party system doesn't work, and we have seen that in how there have been a lot of DeFi hacks regarding oracles and how manipulatable a centralized source of data is. Establishing trust in data sources can be challenging, especially when dealing with external data providers. Banks and financial institutions often need to rely on multiple sources, which can be cumbersome to validate. The most recent example of a mixture of these problems causing a debacle was the FTX crash back in November. A mixture of these problems resulted in a black swan event in crypto. And then the solution to this is utilizing an oracle that is the most reliable, most secure, most versatile, which is Chainlink. So Chainlink is a decentralized oracle network designed to solve the crucial problem of not only bringing real-world data onto the blockchain, but also making cross-chain messaging a possibility. Chainlink has contributed to the emergence of DeFi as a vital player, as a key player. I think most of the contracts, over 60% of the smart contracts on DeFi blockchains in general run on Chainlink. So the proven track record of Chainlink showcases that it's a superior Oracle operator in the space, and you can see that by the reliable data feeds that are live on close to 15 chains, already over 1,000 decentralized Oracle networks. Chainlink uses cryptographic techniques to secure data transmission. They use decentralized network of Oracle nodes. This reduces the risk of data manipulation, data breaches, or malicious attacks that could affect the integrity of financial transactions in DeFi. And Chainlink oracles are one of the most versatile oracles in the space. It's not just a data feed. It has a lot of services that enable novel use cases, such as automation, CCIP, proof of reserve, low latency oracles, the new data streams. So it's a key player that emerges that has a vital role in the whole ecosystem. In this past year, my team has built numerous integrations for some high-profile projects. We've built custom integrations using Chainlink oracles coupled with the official Chainlink services, such as automation, proof of reserve, CCIP. A few names we've worked with are Gains Network and Tangible, which are leaders in their own sector of DeFi. Gains Network is a leading decentralized leverage trading platform, already facilitate over $50 billion in volume. Tangible is a new emerging player that has attracted close to 100 million TVL in the past year. They bring real estate properties on-chain, which I'm going to highlight in a few. Our managed node services is a service where we run the whole Chainlink node infrastructure, build your custom solution, and then integrate Chainlink services into it and bring your data on-chain or enable your use case in general. So first, I'll talk about Gains Network. Gains Network is one of the early players in the decentralized leverage trading platforms. They have created this new custom decentralized Oracle network where a network of nodes, as you can see in the picture, creates an on-demand price so that traders can trade on real-time prices instead of having a price feed which has a deviation and a timer. This is a precursor to the data streams that Chainlink will use with the low latency oracles. We've already facilitated over $50 billion in volume, in leverage trading volume, on 2 chains, Arbitrum and Polygon. The Gains network enables traders to trade not only crypto, but also stocks, commodities, forex, and exotic pairs, like certain ETFs. By utilizing Chainlink as a premium Oracle operator, they showcase to their traders, investors, and users that they care about the reliability and security of the execution of the trades, because what's better than having a real-time price to trade at instead of having a deviation threshold? So without Chainlink, the whole infrastructure doesn't function, so it's key to operation, and it showcases that reliability and security play a great role in the success of a DeFi project. All right, so for Tenderize is a new project that falls in the category of liquid staking derivatives. You can stake tokens, and then you get a one-on-one IOU of a different token which you can use in DeFi. So what we've built for Tenderize is to use a Chainlink oracle to facilitate their token migration from V1 to V2. People that stake their tokens in V1 have their positions already, but they need to migrate that to V2. So what we've done is built a Chainlink oracle that acts as a validator to check on-chain data and verify that the wallet that initiates the migration truly has the amount of tokens, so that they can securely and reliably have access to their funds in V2. The next one is LandX Finance. They offer commodities. They are a project that lets you buy tokens that represent commodities like corn, soy, wheat, and rice. We built an oracle to bring real-world data for them onto the blockchain and then integrated Chainlink automation to automatically update prices so that people that invest in these tokens or trade these tokens or buy these tokens can have the premium grade data that Chainlink offers and then use that to participate in DeFi. The highlight of today is our real-world asset integration. So Tangible DAO is a DeFi application that has created the USDR stablecoin. It stands for Real USD. So what they've done is they have a collateralization that consists of a basket of tokens. Think of stablecoins, protocol-owned liquidity, and a big portion of that is real estate. They're a company that buys real estate in the UK and USA, and we facilitate the data transmission on-chain for them. I think we've brought $34 million worth of properties on-chain, which are then used for the collateralization of their stablecoin. These rental properties generate yield. So the stablecoin is a sort of yield-bearing stablecoin that eats the rental income of those properties. We've worked together with Chainlink Labs and the network firm to make this a possibility. This is the first proof of reserve feed that is complicated because you have the real estate assets, so you need to verify that they own the real estate, that the real estate prices are accurate. So the network firm does all the attestations. We bring the real estate data on-chain, and Chainlink Labs creates the price feeds, and the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network, consisting of 16 nodes, run the proof of reserve feed, which creates a sort of security, verification, and reliability for its DeFi users, its investors, and just the DeFi overall ecosystem participants. We coupled our direct request integration with the Chainlink services. We tried to be as secure as possible, so we integrated Chainlink automation, which automates the data transmission. Once a day, we pull data and then verify that the data is accurate and put it on chain, which is then used in the proof of reserve feed. So as you can see, integrating Chainlink has a stamp of approval. So by integrating Chainlink, you can be sure that your DeFi project is as secure and reliable as possible. Within the DeFi ecosystem, transparency is paramount. Everyone wants to be as transparent as possible. So we're essentially moving away from trust-based finance to trust but verify. And that's why we try to utilize as many Chainlink services in our integrations, like automation and proof of reserve. We have a close working relationship with the Chainlink tech team, so whenever we build an integration, we try to talk it over with them and check what the best course of action would be. If you look at the graph, it's a TVL metric of Tangible DAO, the real-world asset integration we've done. If you take security and reliability into account, and you want what's best for your users, for your product, for your protocol, integrating Chainlink has the effect of increasing your TVL over a long period of time. Here we can see that in the past 9 months, Tangible went from 0 TVL to close to 100 million. I think they topped at 83 million when I checked yesterday. So Chainlink as a stamp of approval has the effect to boost your project and make sure that everything is verifiable and it works as intended. So the way I see how the Chainlink technology evolves, that it's going to play a more and more prominent role in how DeFi operates. We've seen with CCIP that they integrated a lot of chains. It's now live on the 7 highest TVL chains. So if you want to securely and reliably operate your DeFi projects in this ecosystem, Chainlink offers a wide range of services, ranging from automation to proof of reserve to the new low latency oracles for the decentralized leverage trading platforms. So it's more than just price data. Whatever you want to do, whatever novel use case you want to build, Chainlink is there to help you. We've seen firsthand how Chainlink helps projects to enable their vision and create a new use case and essentially try and help DeFi to move on and become the new TradFi. So we've seen that real-world assets are the new narrative in this ecosystem. So we've been working together with the Proof of Reserve team on making it a possibility to showcase that it's possible to interact with real-world assets on a blockchain. Even if it's not real estate, you can see the emergence of new treasury bills, and essentially the real-world asset ecosystem is expanding together with Chainlink to offer more and more services to make illiquid assets liquid on the blockchain and then unlock new potential of DeFi use cases. So the future of finance is rapidly evolving. You don't want to be left behind, and you want to use Chainlink as a way to put yourself and your project safe and go with the new emerging flow. So I've showcased how versatile Chainlink oracles can be. The oracles we build are almost limitless in its potential. Anything you want to build, we can help you. We can put you in contact with the Chainlink tech team. Do contact us if you have any new use case or real-world asset use case you want to build. Chainlink is all about enabling possibilities that you have envisioned yourself. So I hope you all see how versatile these technologies can be and how it can be used to empower your project, your TradFi banks, your anything you want to have possible, your blockchains. We can see with the new integrations that most high-profile blockchains now join the skill program to boost their TVL in the short term and long term. That was what I all had to say about our versatile Chainlink Oracle integrations. I hope you all have a great time during SmartCon and just talk to as many people as you want, because we're all like-minded. We're all here to see what the future has to offer and what role Chainlink will play in this future. So communicate with people and try to learn as much as you can. We're all here for the same thing. Thank you.